In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups and user groups in Slack. If you've ever needed to message several teammates at once or notify a specific set of people quickly, Slack gives you two great options: a simple group chat and a more permanent user group that you can ask mention. I'll walk you through both so you can choose the right fit for your situation. First, let's set up a quick group chat. This is ideal for short-term conversations or when you just need a fast back and forth with a few colleagues. In Slack, look at the sidebar and navigate to the Direct Messages section. Click the plus icon to start something new. A window will open where you can search for and select the members you want to include. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right people, then create the conversation to start a new group chat. From here, you can send messages, share files, and collaborate without cluttering a channel. Keep in mind that group chats are best for smaller, focused discussions, and unlike channels, they're not meant to be renamed or widely discoverable. They're quick, private, and great for getting decisions made fast. Now, if you need something more structured, especially for recurring coordination, set up a user group. A user group lets you notify a set of people all at once by typing a single @mention, which is incredibly helpful for teams like design, support, or on-call responders. To create one, click Directories from the Home menu. In the Directories view, go to the User Groups tab. Click Create User Group, then give it a clear, concise name, and write a short description so others understand who's included and when to use it. Next, add the members who should be part of this group. When you're done, the group is ready to use. Type the group's handle in any conversation, and everyone in that user group will be notified at once. This keeps communication consistent and saves time when you need to reach the same people regularly. A few tips as you set things up. Choose names and descriptions that make sense to your workspace so people immediately understand the purpose. For group chats, consider posting a quick note about the topic or goal so everyone's aligned from the start. And for user groups, keep membership current to ensure the right people are notified. That's it. Use a group chat for quick, focused discussions, and create a user group when you need a reliable, reusable way to reach the same set of people with a single @mention.